Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin C at home. We'll explore practical ways to extract this essential nutrient from everyday ingredients. You'll learn simple, natural methods to create your own vitamin C sources, focusing on fresh produce. This guide will help you understand the benefits of incorporating homemade vitamin C into your routine, offering a natural boost to your wellness. Let's get started on boosting your health naturally. One excellent way to make vitamin C is by using citrus peels. Start with organic oranges, lemons, or grapefruits, ensuring they are thoroughly washed and dried. Next, finely grate or chop the peels. Dehydrate them completely until they are brittle, which can take several hours in a low oven or a dehydrator. Once dry, grind the peels into a fine powder using a coffee grinder. This potent powder can be stored in an airtight container for up to 6 months, offering a concentrated source of vitamin C. Beyond citrus, many other natural sources are packed with vitamin C. Rose hips are incredibly potent, offering around 1,700 milligrams per 100 grams. Acerola cherries are another powerhouse, providing up to 1,700 milligrams per 100 grams. You can also find good amounts in bell peppers, kale, and parsley. Try infusing dried rose hips or acerola into hot water for a vitamin-rich tea, or blend fresh berries and leafy greens into your daily smoothies for a natural, delicious boost. When making vitamin C at home, safety and proper storage are key. Always opt for organic produce to avoid pesticides. Ensure all your equipment is meticulously cleaned to prevent any contamination. Store your homemade vitamin C preparations in cool, dark, airtight containers to maintain their potency. For the best results, consume these natural sources within a few weeks. Remember, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Stay healthy and enjoy your homemade vitamin C.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.